Welcome in today's lecture. Today, we will talk about a very important topic of mathematics. Properties of the cube roots of unity. The cube roots of unity are 1, omega, and omega square. There are three main properties of cube roots of unity. Number 1. The sum of cube roots of unity is 0. Number 2. The product of cube roots of unity is 1. Number 3. Each complex cube root of unity is reciprocal of the other. Let us prove all these properties one by one. Number 1. The sum of cube roots of unity is 0. Let us come to the proof. On left hand side we have 1 plus omega square. Putting the values of omega and omega square, we have the next step. Further, by simple arithmetic rules we get the result, which is 0. It is equal to right hand side. Hence, we proved that sum of the cube roots of unity is 0. Number 2. Prove that the product of cube roots of unity is 1. To prove this property, let us take left hand side from the property, which is 1 dot omega square. We know the values of omega and omega square. Therefore, putting these values in place of omega and omega square. In next step, 1 will come as it is. But these two values of omega and omega square are the complex conjugate of each other. They can be multiplied or can be directly solved using this formula. Now by simple arithmetic rule we get its result, which is 1. We had taken the left hand side and the result 1 shows that it is equal to right hand side. Hence we proved that the product of cube roots of unity is 1. Number 3. We have to prove that each complex cube root of unity is the reciprocal of the other. Let us come to the proof. We know the values of omega and omega square. Let us take the reciprocal of omega, which is 2 divided by minus 1 plus iota under the root 3. Here we see that there is a complex number with non-zero imaginary part in the denominator. Therefore, multiplying and dividing by the complex conjugate of this number, we get a real denominator. These are simple calculations and simple arithmetic rules. By further simplification, we get the value minus 1 minus iota under the root 3 divided by 2, which is the value of omega square. In this way, we proved that the reciprocal of omega is omega square. We know the value of omega square. Taking the reciprocal of this value, we have 1 over omega square is equal to 2 divided by minus 1 minus iota under the root 3. Here we see that there is a complex number with non-zero imaginary part in the denominator. Therefore, multiplying and dividing by the complex conjugate of this number. Further, by simple arithmetic rules and simple calculations, we can move forward easily to a value, which is the value of omega. In this way, we proved our required result. We showed that the reciprocal of omega square is equal to omega. In the proof of this property we proved that the reciprocal of each complex cube root of unity is equal to the other. Dear students, in today's lecture, we discussed the property of cube roots of unity with their proofs. See you in next lecture. Thank you.